Yung Latinos kasi sabi niya, he can't be bothered to get out and go out pero kumakain. Pero
one of those. Pero one of those. Ramen roll. Medyo parang ganun yung ramen ng guidance, sobrang tapak. Sobrang parang mas...
Kasama ba yung Marudori? I would rather have Marudori.
I had Marudori for the first time.
It's different.
Yeah,
It's consistent.
like, chocolate hindi ko in-expect na may tomato.
Have you tried the
Chicken gyoza.
For me, masarap yung gyoza. Si Richmond parang the best one I've tried.
Pero parang walang Japanese